Hello, today is Sunday, the 16th of March, is day 14 of my trip and I am still in Angers. Today is going to be an art and museum day. It is so silent. Wow, you can tell that it's Sunday morning before 10 a.m. I think that this is the theater. Here I think that's old Gallo-Roman fortifications. This morning I'm visiting the Galerie David d'Angers. Galerie David d'Angers. The Toussaint Abbey and Roman Wall. An oratory, later abbey, was founded on this site towards 1040. Left to ruin, it was restored between 1980 and 1984 to house the sculpture of Pierre-Jean David d'Angers. He was an important sculptor from the 19th century, and he made some of the sculpture on the Panthéon of Paris and some of the greatest tombs in the cemetery Père Lachaise. Wow. The Toussaint Abbey from the 13th century has been renovated with a glass roof and is now showcasing artwork of Pierre-Jean David called David d'Angers or David from Angers. So I've just visited Galerie David d'Angers. This afternoon I'm doing the museum, but right now I want to see the gardens and cloister. So here that's the Toussaint Library. And we can just exit now. I go back to the accommodation to have a quick and early lunch. It is so cold. That's the Pincé Museum, but I don't think that I would visit it because I have other things that I want to visit. It's so cold. Then out again, and I am going to visit the Pincé Museum. Musée de Pincé. It's in the Hôtel de Pincé. Hôtel Pincé is one of the finest 16th century private mansions in Angers. Musée Pincé. It's only open on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 to 6. Nice. Very nice. It was not originally on my list of things to visit, but it looks very nice from the outside, and it's near the accommodation, and it only opens during the weekends, and it's included in my museum pass, so I have no reason to not visit it. It showcases mostly objects from the antiquities, and at the moment there is a temporary exhibit about color. It's not super big or mind-blowing, but you never know how it's going to be until you try it. Plus the building is really nice. And I am out. Now it's time for the Museum of Fine Arts, which is also in a very beautiful building. The visit starts with a part dedicated to the history of Angers from prehistory to now. Then there is a fine arts collection from the 14th century to today. Both of these collections were very interesting and beautiful. And it is raining. Wait, I want to see the other side of the museum. So that's the part I visited this morning. And that is the Museum of Fine Arts, but the other side of it, not the entrance side. And that is a sculpture from Nikon D5100. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, bye.